Hello friends. My name is DHRUV JAIN. So I'm from Jhansi, Uttar Pradesh. I completed B.TECH in electrical engineering. I'm a 2023 pass out. So I joined Jspiders 2023 December. Before joining Jspider, I have no knowledge of coding as well as Java development. So after joining here, I get a lot of knowledge in core Java, advanced Java. My faculty were there in core Java like Vivek sir, Pawan sir, host programming knowledge and daily programming practices helped me a lot in cracking my interview, as well as Ravi sir, as well as Radha ma'am helped me a lot in gaining knowledge about advanced Java and real-time projects. And I also did aptitude. So aptitude is basically foremost to crack any interview.